Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can use Format Painter. The Format Painter is one of the most underused features of Excel. Format Painter copies formatting from one place and applies it to another. So like you have 12 and you make it a currency. Okay, so suppose you want to convert this cell also in the currency, so you don't need to do such activity again. For this we will use the Format Painter. So whenever you click on the Format Painter, a moving dashed border, you can see a dashed border is moving here, and mouse pointer changed to a plus and a paintbrush. You can see in the mouse pointer is plus and a paintbrush is showing here. So the Format Painter is applies in the cell here and the border is removed now. So this is the way you can use the Format Painter. We basically use the Format Painter to while we are creating a table in Excel, and we just formatting one table as per our requirement, and then we use the Format Painter to use the same format in the multiple of tables. Hope this video will help you. So if you find that this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.